How can I ensure the free spy app without touch I choose is safe and reliable?
Welcome. We're here today to talk about a topic that's often filled with both curiosity and caution: free spy apps. More specifically, how can you choose one that's both safe and doesn't require physical contact with the target device? It's a delicate balance, but not impossible. Let's dive in.
Why choose a spy app?
First things first, why might someone choose to use a spy app? These tools are often used by parents monitoring their children's online activities or companies ensuring corporate resources are used properly. However, it's crucial that these apps respect privacy rights and legal boundaries, offering only necessary and legally permitted information. Always remember, the purpose should be ethical and within legal confines.
What makes a spy app safe and reliable?
So, what exactly makes a spy app safe and reliable? 1. Reputation. Look for apps with good reviews and positive user feedback. Reliable apps often have a large user base and have been on the market for a while. 2. Privacy policy. A trustworthy app will have a clear and detailed privacy policy. This ensures your information and the data you're monitoring are secure and not being misused. 3. Security measures. Look for apps with robust security measures like end-to-end encryption to keep the tracked data safe. 4. Features. Ensure the app provides the features you need, such as call monitoring, GPS tracking, or message monitoring. A good app will clearly list its capabilities.
How to choose a no-touch spy app?
Now, on to the no-touch part. Some apps promise remote installation and monitoring, without needing access to the target device. This is attractive but also where caution is crucial. 1. Legality. Remote spying is often illegal unless it's for legitimate purposes like parental control and you have proper consent. Always check local laws. 2. Promised features. If an app promises full remote access to another device, be skeptical. It's technically challenging and usually indicates a scam. 3. Reliable vendor. Make sure the app is from a reliable vendor, ideally one that's been in the market for a while and has positive reviews. 4. Transparency. The app should be upfront about its capabilities and limitations. Any app that promises too much may not be reliable. Choosing a safe and reliable free spy app without touch can be challenging but not impossible. Always remember the ethical and legal considerations, and pay close attention to the app's reputation, security, and transparency. Your safety, and the privacy of others, should be your top priorities. We hope this video guide has been helpful in your journey towards making an informed choice. Until next time, stay safe and make wise decisions.